today's test taking strategy sounds like it would be something everyone would do, but trust me, we don't all do this. Today's testing strategy is this. After you have read the problem and you know what you're doing, you write it down. Write the equation down and do the problem, do the math. So for example, if it is an addition problem and it's written horizontally, rewrite it vertically, because when it comes to regrouping, it's easier for our brains to see how we regroup into the tens, or we regroup into the hundreds, or when we're subtracting, how we would regroup and move it over. Writing it down, you would think they're going to do that. Yes, they don't always. So if this is about your child, be sure you say, you need to be sure to write it down. I can't wait to hear how you wrote down all of your problems. So that is today's testing strategy.